Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hi, hello, this is Charlie Jose, and today we're not going to do a speaker, but this is an unboxing of my shotgun mic. It's called the Takstar model, and I hope that this will improve the audio of my YouTube production. Okay, so the Takstar. Here you go, Takstar. So what do we have here? So we got the Takstar SGC-600. Okay, so it's a shotgun microphone because lately I'm not getting good quality audio from my YouTube production. So I went to Lazada and also investigated some videos about the Takstar 600 model, and the majority of the YouTubers say that this is good enough as compared to the Rode, which are also compared to the Rode model that they have, and this one can compete. It's good enough for vloggers and YouTubers. So let's check it out. Ta-da! So that's our beauty. So what do we have here? We have the free battery connector for the cell phone, and of course the mic itself. So the mic is okay. So we're going to try to test this and see if it's working or not, or else I have to return this to Lazada. So first things first, this is a shotgun microphone. It's unidirectional, so it means that the pickup is always in front, only slightly on the side and at the back. Okay, if you see the diagram of a shotgun microphone with unidirectional pickup, the maximum pickup is always on front. Okay, so this one's not effective. Vibration capture or anti-shock, it's not as effective as the one used in the Rode. Okay, so these are the control panel. So you could reduce the bass, you could increase the bass, reduce the noise, or make the audio flat. Okay, so these are the ones that we're going to experiment as well. Okay, so it has a jack. I guess this one is direct for DSLR cameras, and this one, which I already have several of this, so this one connects to your cell phone. So since we don't use DSLR cameras, we'll be using this accessory given to us by Takstar, and see if it's working with my Samsung A31 mobile phone. So after this, let's transition to mic test. Okay, so probably let's check also this one. Oh, okay, nice. Let's do a close-up. Basically, it's made out of ABS plastics, not much metal. Okay, one of the cons about the Takstar is the dead cat. So you have to be creative when buying your dead cat because it won't fit everything. You have to do some customization, or if you're lucky, there's some elastic band that could cover up to the backside. Okay, so that's it. So we'll transition to mic test for the Takstar. Hi, mic check, mic check. So we're trying out the default settings of the Takstar 600 SGC 600. So I'm basically around just a foot and a half away from the microphone. So this is my regular voice, and I'm not increasing the volume of my voice right now. So this is on default settings. Okay, so default settings, there's a graph on the left side that's pointing down. I think that's the bass side, and it's basically in the middle, so it's flat. Okay, so that's the default setting of the Takstar SGC 600. Let's try another setting. So this one is part 2 of the testing. So basically, we've maintained the low cut switch from the default setting, but the volume fader, I added plus 10 dB. So I'm still around 1.5 feet away from the microphone. So I'm just talking into my normal voice. I'm not increasing my voice or whatever. So I hope it's picking it up. So let's. Okay, we're back. This is the third segment. So we changed the set volume fader to negative 10 dB. I'm still at around feet and a half away from the microphone, and it's basically pointed in front of me. And what else? I maintained the low cut switch. Uh, it's positioned as the ones pointing downwards, slanted and then straight. So that's the sound of this setup. Okay, so I'm gonna check it again, see what's the difference. Okay, we're in the fourth stage of the testing. So uh, what what did we do? We set it to the straight line for the low cut switch. So position to turn off low cut function to return to original pickup status, which I don't understand. So that's why we're experimenting. So the dB is volume fader is 0 dB for this one, but the low cut switch is using the straight line. So after this one, I'm gonna increase the dB plus 10, and then after that minus 10 with the straight line diagram line symbol for the low cut switch. Okay, we're back again. Okay, we're back again. So this time I increased the decibels to 10 plus 10, and low cut switch is basically the straight line. So this is the second test for the straight line low cut switch. I'm still around 1.5 feet distance from the microphone, and I'm not increasing my voice or modulating it internally from my body. So this is my regular voice. Okay, mic test, mic test. 1, 2, 3, ABC. Hi, hello, I'm back. So this is the third chapter for the straight line low cut switch. And then I use the minus 10 dB for as the volume fader. So what do you think about the quality of the voice of the sound? I'm right now we're just taking some samples here in an ordinary room. There's no padding here, noise reduction, except for some of the books here that reduces the reflection of the sound traveling within the room. So this is the third one and last one. Setup or options. Setup options for the Takstar GC-600 SGC-600.
Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Day we hustle, but the night we know that they ride or die. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Day we hustle, but the night we boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. My name came up a lot, it sounds more when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. My name came up a lot, it sounds more when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. My name came up a lot, it sounds more when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. My name came up a lot, it sounds more when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. I'm a OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. OG boy. Day we hustle, but the night we OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I'm a OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Day we hustle, but know that they ride or die. Cold, these brothers my guys. Know that they fly. Know that they fly. Know that they ride or die. Cold, these brothers my guys. Know that they fly. Know that they fly. Know that they ride or die. CJ Ike, they ain't no longer about.